In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove indent on Smartsheet. If you've been working with Smartsheet and found yourself needing to adjust the indentation of your tasks or entries, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward and can be done in just a few easy steps. Let's dive in and take a closer look. First, navigate to your Smartsheet workspace or your home page. This is essentially your dashboard that gives you an overview of all your sheets and projects. It's the launching point for everything you'll do throughout your Smartsheet experience. Locate the specific sheet you'd like to work on and open it. The sheet you're accessing is where you'll be making these indentation adjustments, so ensure that this is the correct one you want to edit. Next, you need to identify the row you want to adjust within your opened sheet. You'll notice numbers running down the left side. These represent each row in your sheet. Click directly on the row number of the row you're looking to outdent. This action highlights the entire row, letting Smartsheet know you're ready to make changes to it. Now, up at the top of your Smartsheet interface, you'll see a toolbar filled with a variety of options, each designed to assist you in modifying your sheet. Look for the Outdent button. This button is typically represented by an arrow that indicates moving out, away from the current hierarchical level. Click on this Outdent button and you'll notice the selected row shifts to the left, aligning it more closely with the main structure of your sheet. For those who prefer using keyboard shortcuts as a faster way to navigate, there's an alternative method. On a Windows computer, you can press Ctrl and the left square bracket key. For Mac users, the shortcut is Command and the left square bracket key. Either set of keystrokes will also effectively move your selected row out to the left, removing its indent. If you're dealing with multiple rows that all need the same adjustment, there's a time-saving trick. By holding down the Shift key, you can click on multiple row numbers to select several rows at once. Once you've selected all the rows you want to adjust, you can then click the Outdent button, or use the relevant keyboard shortcut. This helps outdent multiple rows in one go, streamlining your workflow and saving precious time. Now that you've got the hang of removing indents in Smartsheet, you're well equipped to maintain a tidy and organized sheet layout. Thank you for watching, and happy Smartsheet editing.